The Ulta Beauty The Routine Reset Kit is available now for $29 with 8 skin and hair care essentials worth $100 to refresh your routine. If I am lucky enough to get this in PR, I will do a full review for you. The kit will include Vanilla Co. Clean It Zero Pore Clarifying Cleanser Balm 0.24 ounce, Beauty Bio, the Eyeliner Concentrate Serum and Depuffing Tool, full size 0.5 ounce, Benefit, the Professional Super Setter Fun Size 0.5 ounce, CeraVe Moisturizing Cream 0.17 ounce, Clean Skin Club Clean Towels Original 10 count. It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In 2 ounce, La Roche-Posay Athleos UV Sport SPF 50 0.5 ounce, La Roche-Posay Toleriane Purifying Cleanser 0.5 ounce. Let me know if this is one you guys are thinking about picking up. Hope you're having a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.